No! No! Ooh! Wow. Yabba dabba do! Oh yeah! Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh! Right there, right there, right there, right there! Wow! Wow! What? Oh! Stop, drop, and roll! Oh! Snap, crackle, and oh! Dinosaurs are extinct! Oh! Drawers hole closed! Oh! The sun is hot! Oh! Refrigerators are cool! Oh! Orange is the new black! Ooh! Ha ha! It's me, Mario! Oh, I have no pants on. What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for checking out that video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to go down and smash that thumbs up button. Now I know that I couldn't possibly be the only one in the world that's made these noises after cracking their neck in public. I mean private. Wait, what? If you're like me and have, make sure to comment below that you have and which number you are. And if you haven't, which number you would be if you did. Ooh. Once you've done that, make sure to come back and turn my post notifications on so you never miss your boy's post. And make sure to subscribe because I make new videos every single Wednesday. And sometimes on Saturday. Other than that, I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Peace.